Alrighty, g'day everyone. So we've finally had some kitchen cupboards turn up. It's very exciting. So today we're going to put on some of the doors that are going up into the wall cabinets, and we're just going to run through how to put the hinges on and how to place the hinges and just the general process for putting the Ikea hinges together. So here we go. So make sure you got a nice space set out for the doors and the hinges, and I'll just quickly open this bag. Kitchen is still very much a work zone at the moment. There we go. Okay, so we've got our hinges here. There we go. And these are the parts that go up into these sections here. So I'll just quickly run through the process, because there is actually a front and a back to these things. So what we're looking at here, I'll just find the best angle. Okay, here we go. All right, so what we've got is a bit of an opening right here, and then as you'll see over on this side, it's a little bit more flat. There's a bit of a latch there, right there, just there. Essentially what happens is, when you're putting your door up onto the cupboard up there, effectively this little pin here has to grab onto this part of the hinge. So effectively that goes in like that. There we go, so we can see. So effectively it goes in, boom, and then that presses down, and this little part here then slides down this part of the rail here. Oops. Down this part of the rail here, and then clips in, and that is how the hinge then secures itself to the door. Yeah, the door secures itself to the cupboard. So that's it. So and the beauty of these particular hinges here is, instead of having screws at this end that screw into the doors, effectively nowadays this part here, I need a screwdriver for that. There we go. So that part there just clips in, and that's it. So yep, boom, and that's it, all done. Very nice.